Hey guys, this is Keerthan Bhat from Gadget Park and today is 20th Jan 2018. 2 years back we started this channel. It's been 2 years and I want to tell a big thank you in this video and talk about some facts on what we did in the past 1 year. Let's get started. First of all, thank you for the support you have given during this 1 year. It really means a lot. Now let's check some facts and how you have helped us grow in this platform. In the past 1 year, we have made 42 videos with a total of 118 videos. We have crossed around 187k views, which brings to a total of around 257k views. Our subscriber count has increased from 350 to around 1414, which is insane. I'm really happy about it. We have hosted 2 giveaways. That's one is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 F code and one more is Amazon gift card giveaway. So we have hosted 2 giveaways in the past year and we are going to host many in the coming year. We were also featured in the hashtag Tech Creator Hunt as a honorable mention made by C4E Tech and Geeky Ranjit. So that was insane. I was really very happy on that day. We also introduced our own contest, that's the hashtag GP Creator Contest, where we will be featuring a creator every 15 days. But now we are planning to change the rules of the contest. A new winner will be selected every month rather than every 15 days so that creators get a very good competition. We bought some new equipments, that's the 50mm prime lens, some soft boxes as well as a new tripod and some new monitors, etc. Some of you were asking me for the setup tour and that should be out in May this year because I will be shifting from this studio really very soon in the upcoming months. So you should see the setup tour in the new studio. One more new thing which we started this year, which is not related to Gadget Park, is that I am uploading a new photo every day on my Instagram and my Facebook photography page. Every day there will be a new photo for you and I think I am pretty good in that because many of you have liked it and I'm doing it for the past 2 months. So we have around 60 plus photos in the past 2 months. If you want to check that out, do check the links of Facebook page and Instagram profile in the show description. I think you should follow me there also. So what will we be doing in the upcoming year 2018? For sure we will be producing much more content and probably 2 videos per week. I'm not sure, I'm not giving a promise. More and more giveaways will come in 2018. We'll be upgrading our setup as well as we'll be upping the production quality of the videos. So that's pretty much it guys for this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. Please hit the like button if you liked it, vote it down if you didn't, comment down your views and thoughts in the comment section, subscribe for the channel if you haven't already, and also do follow me on my social media pages and Instagram. As I told you, I upload photos, new photos every day. This is Keerthan Bhat signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye now.